Hey, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the new 2020 Bennington S-Series center console. This is their new fishing boat. This boat has the metallic silver sides. This is a tri-tune equipped with a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard engine with a stainless steel prop. This boat is equipped with lifting strakes. Moving forwards on the boat, you can see it is equipped with the swing back. All this upholstery is the Simtex material. Swing back seating. This whole pad lifts up and has a deck underneath if you prefer that. Going forwards, you will see a freshwater washdown. The first live well underneath the seat here. Equipped with a second live well up front. Dual captain's chairs. A half forward door with room for a trolling motor. Your battery will be housed there. Or storage here. Nice plush Kerman pads. Very high gunnels. Plenty of rod storage on both sides. Plenty of rod holders. 6 rocket launchers. Looking at the helm, you'll see a nice Simrad depth finder, chart plotter, Ritchie compass, kicker stereo, all your switches, adjustable steering wheel. For more information on this boat, please visit us at MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.